Hey, it's Pai from HotThaiKitchen.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Thai coconut salmon dip. I've got a piece of salmon here that I've simply pan-seared, and I'm just going to use a fork. Just flake that nice and easy. In my mortar and pestle, my favorite tool in the kitchen, I've got some ground white pepper, and I'm gonna add some chili flakes for some heat. And now cilantro stems and some garlic, just making an herb paste the base for our dip here. I'm basically sauteing the herb paste in reduced coconut milk. Using just the natural coconut oil in there, we get richness, we get flavor without having to add any extra oil. Now to add a little bit of texture and nuttiness, some ground roasted peanuts. Now I'm gonna add some fish sauce, which is so key to Thai ingredients, and you wanna choose a brand that has few ingredients like Thai Kitchen here, because that means you're gonna get more of that fish flavor coming through. Touch of palm sugar to balance all that saltiness. And now I'm gonna add that salmon that we flaked earlier, fresh lime juice, and throw in my shallots, gonna give a nice oniony kick. I'm gonna finish it with some cilantro leaves, which we saved. And that is it. Serve with some rice crackers or some fresh vegetables, and you've got an easy, authentic Thai flavors to bring to your next party.